CapCut auto captions not working. Here's the fix. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you're trying to use CapCut's auto captions feature, but it's just not working. Maybe it's stuck loading, generating blank captions, or the button is completely grayed out. Super frustrating when you're in the middle of editing. Let me walk you through all the fixes right now. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Auto captions in CapCut require a stable internet connection because the transcription happens on CapCut's servers, not on your device. If your connection is weak or unstable, the feature will fail silently or get stuck loading. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or move closer to your router and try generating captions again. Something as simple as a bad connection causes this issue more often than anything else. Fix 2. Update CapCut. If you're running an outdated version of CapCut, the auto captions feature may be buggy or broken entirely. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut and check if there's an update available. Install it, relaunch the app, and try auto captions again. Developers push fixes through updates regularly, so staying current keeps everything working as it should. Fix 3. Check your audio quality. Auto captions work by analyzing the audio in your video. If your audio is too quiet, too noisy, or has a lot of background interference, CapCut struggles to transcribe it accurately or may fail to generate captions at all. Make sure your video has clear audible speech before running auto captions. If the audio is poor, try cleaning it up first using CapCut's noise reduction tool under the audio settings. Fix 4. Select the correct language. This one catches a lot of people out. CapCut's auto captions need to know what language is being spoken in your video. When you tap on auto captions, make sure you manually select the correct language from the dropdown before hitting generate. If the wrong language is selected, or it defaults to the wrong one, the transcription will either fail completely or produce gibberish. Always double-check the language setting first. Fix 5. Clear CapCut. Cache. A bloated cache can cause all kinds of features to malfunction, including auto captions. On Android, go to your phone's settings, find apps, locate CapCut, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app since iOS doesn't have a direct cache clearing option. After clearing the cache, reopen CapCut and try auto captions again on your project. Fix 6. Shorten your clip. If you're trying to generate captions on a very long video, CapCut sometimes struggles and times out. Try splitting your video into shorter segments and generating captions on each section individually. This reduces the processing load and often gets the feature working again when it refuses to process a longer clip. And those are all the fixes for CapCut auto captions not working. Check your internet, update the app, clean up your audio, select the right language, clear your cache, and try shorter clips. One of those will get it working for you. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see